India's Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia told the Parliament on Friday that the country is prepared to fight Omicron, a day after India reported first two cases of the new variant in southern Karnataka state. The Health Ministry, in a statement, said the severity of the COVID-19 disease from the Omicron variant in the country could be low because of vaccination and high exposure to the Delta variant.
India's Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia on Friday said that the country is prepared to fight Omicron as authorities are on alert a day after India detected first two cases of the new COVID-19 variant in southern Karnataka state. While speaking on the COVID-19 situation in the country, Mandavia apprised the parliament that the patients have shown mild symptoms and their contacts have been isolated. He informed over 16,000 passengers from at-risk countries have been tested at airports and 18 have found positive. He said states have been asked to ramp up inoculation, while a decision on booster dose will be taken soon after scientific advice. Earlier in the day, the Health Ministry in a statement said the severity of the COVID-19 disease from the Omicron variant in the country could be low because of vaccination and high exposure to the Delta variant.
भारत सरकार द्वारा राज्य सरकार को सभी आवश्यक सावधानियां बरतने की सुझाव दिया गया है ताकि इस केस के द्वारा ओमिक्रॉन वेरिएंट का संक्रमण आगे ना बढ़े। एट रिस्क कंट्री से आ रही फ्लाइट की सभी यात्रियों की आरटीपीसीआर टेस्टिंग की जा रही है।
As of Friday, India reported 99,976 active cases of COVID-19. As many as 84% of the population have received at least one dose in the South Asian nation, with more than 125 million people due for a second by the end of November, as the government pushes more to get inoculated in the face of Omicron.